Hello students, welcome to English Literature class with me, Miss Ellen. Today's meeting, we are going to talk about explanation text. Let's get started. Let's start by defining what is explanation text. So explanation is a text which tells processes relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why or how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks. There are four types of explanations. Number one, sequential. These detail the stages in an event. For example, how a caterpillar turns into a moth. Two is causal. Details what causes the change from one stage to the next. For example, how a president is elected. Number three, we have theoretical. The details the possible phenomena behind a natural or creative process that is not fully understood. For example, what caused the Nazis to lose World War II? Number four, factorial and consequential explanation. It explains the effects and outcomes of processes. For example, scientific and historical. Let's take a look on the structure of explanation text. Number one, you have to write a title. It identifies the topic of your explanation. You may pose this as a question with how or why. Next, write strong opening statement. Identifying the process to be explained and emphasize the process rather than the particular thing involved in the process. Next is sequencing. Use sequential paragraphs or statements describing how or why something happens. Show connections such as cause and effect and also temporal sequence. And then you have to wrapping it up. A strong concluding paragraph or sentence that draws everything together will add more validity to your explanation. And at the end, you can add some visual using graphic organizer, label diagrams, or illustration to illustrate your understanding. The features of explanation text. Number one is generalize. You have to talk about your topics in groups or as a collective rather than as individuals. Number two is connective language. Use language which link cause and effect. Number three, get technical and detailed. Use technical language and terms specific to your subject. Use technical description to create richer meaning. And the last one is tense and voice. Explanations are written in the passive voice and in timeless present tense. Alright, I'm gonna show you an example of explanation text. Check this out. Well, I think that's all about our meeting today. Thank you for your attention. Now, check your worksheet on your group class and feel free to ask me any questions. See you in the next meeting. Bye, students!